of joy overflowing my soul. Yeah. Not the hope, but the bless me so. I got joy overflow. Dancing in the spirit, let it show. Everywhere I go, I let them know. Jesus be the reason I let glow. I got peace like a river. Let's see the flow like never before. Lift my hands and shout hallelujah. This kind joy in no delay. I remember when I was down low.
Want to animate videos like this on Hedra for free? Hey, are you a content creator and found yourself in region where Hedra AI free trial isn't working for you even though it's generally available for other countries? Don't worry, we get you covered. We'll show you how to use Hedra AI for free without subscribing to the premium plan. Let's dive into it and walk you through.
But before that, let's answer this question. Why can I use Hedra AI free trial plan to animate my video? Alright, the reason is that Hedra AI and other AI tools have implemented regional restrictions on their free trials to manage server load, prevent abuse, or comply with local regulations. In some cases,
it may also be due to technical issues. There could be glitches or bugs within the platform that specifically affect users in certain regions, preventing access to the free trial. Yes, your question has finally been answered. You now know exactly why you couldn't access Hedra AI for free. But here's the exciting part: by the time you finish watching this video, you will be able to use Hedra AI to animate videos for free, no matter where you are. And here we go.
Head over to Google Play Store and install the Tender VPN app on your computer or phone. So you will search Tender VPN, and this is the one that I'm talking about, this particular one. So you click on it and click on install. Wait for it to install. The app and review the terms of service and tap accept. So you open. The app will automatically check your network settings, find the best service for you, and test your connection speed. Now the next thing to do, you will tap on the global icon. Tap on the global icon in the top right corner of your screen to choose a server location. So you tap on this and it will open, it will take you to this page. For the best result, you have to select either United States or United Kingdom service. So it will automatically connect. As you can see, it has connected. After connecting to Tender VPN, open your Chrome browser and visit emailnator.com. This site will help you generate a temporary email address for creating your Hedra AI account. So once the site loads or opens, turn off the following buttons, which is domain plus Gmail and Google. Then you click on generate new, and you can see at the top here, this part, the email has been generated. You copy it, copy the generated email and paste it into the email field on the Hedra sign up form. Next, create a secured password containing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'm going to use Waveline Waveline AI. Then you click create account. A verification code will be sent to your email. So you have to return to email data tab and click on the go button. So let's go. You click on this go button here. So this is the code, it has appeared. So you copy it and go back to confirm to Hedra, and then you click confirm verification code, and you can see it is confirming. So from here you have to enter your password to sign in. You accept all and click on create account. Alright, and you are all set to start exploring. Now let's create a video on Hedra AI free plan to see if our trick really works. So I will choose my character. And I will choose this one. I'll click on done. Then I'll write my script. Then you add it to video. Then you give it a prompt. Make sure make realistic. Now you click on generate. You can see Hedra is telling us the free plans are currently disabled due to demand. You will need a subscription to use it. And this has happened because I haven't turned on my Tender VPN. So let's go and turn it on and come back here and create a video. So let's turn the VPN. Yes, it has connected. Let's refresh it. So let's go again. We're adding our script. What we want. And you add it. You give it a prompt. Yes, they are preparing to generate the video. So let's wait for them to generate it. Yes, our video has generated 100%. So let's play it.
Hello, lovely people. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment on my channel, Waveline AI. And we will show you how to use Hedra AI free.
Yes, and that's it.
We've reached the end of the video, and I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.